It really seems to be easing from the kind of highs that we had seen like a fortnight back. It has been a constant decline. Most of the commodities would be closing this week in the negative, and that's how it has turned around after the European markets have opened. We did see some stability coming into the Asian markets. The crude prices were trading nearly 0.5% on the higher side as well, but you have seen a decline coming in for that one. 0.5% down now in case of the crude prices, and the Indian markets also have seen a decline even as the rupee has depreciated by nearly 0.5%. Not just crude, you have seen decline coming in for the natural gas prices as well. Markets are looking at the strength in US dollar, and ahead of the US Fed meeting, you can expect this choppiness to continue for the most of next week as well. The gold and silver prices also have continued to decline from nearly 1430 of a high in the previous week. 1330 also has 1330 also seems to be breaching at this point in time. So nearly $100 shaved off in case of gold prices in last 1 week itself. The important thing to note really is the Indian prices, because we have broken below 30,000 rupees per 10 grams in the Indian markets as well. There has been a considerable decline coming in for silver prices as well. So negative going in case of precious metals also. The base metal prices also, after those positive Chinese data, have taken to the heart the weak EU numbers in sense of factory and services, and you have seen profit taking coming in for this space as well. So net profit taking is how you have seen the base metal prices and the rest of commodity pack trading at this point in time.
On the domestic front, is also a sell. One can sell gold at 29,900 for the day on rise with a stop loss of around 30,000 and a downside target of 29,750 levels. For the day, one can go short in silver at around 49,700 levels. Want to break below 49,700 levels with a stop loss of around 50,000 levels and a downside target of 49,200 to 49,000 levels. One can go long in crude around 6970 levels with a stop loss of 6920 and upside target of 7050 levels. And go short in nickel at around 875 with a stop loss of around 885 levels and a downside target of 860 to 855 on the domestic front.
October gold at 30,000, maintain a strict stop loss of 29,850, set a target of 30,300. Sell copper at 460, maintain a stop loss of 464, fix a target of 455 to 450.
Short Mentha oil on the MCX in the prompt month series at 898, which is basically higher than where it closed at yesterday. I would hold these short positions with a stop loss at 908, and I would expect to book profits at 885 levels. My second trade would be a short again, this time on nickel at 878 levels. I would hold these short positions, so initiated the stop loss at 886, expecting to book profits at 866 level.